It's now filming.
Oh, great.
We're doing video, so come here and grab it.
Okay. I'm going to watch out for that poison oak, though.
Yeah, watch the buttons.
I'm filming. Is this am I in a safe location?
Yeah.
Well, I'll watch. If it starts rolling toward me, I'll run. Ooh. Here we go. Why do you not use a chainsaw?
Okay, let's see if we can keep going. Okay, so okay.
It's not quite on the ground, by the way.
Feels like it might be starting to catch. Yeah, it is. Anyway, let's come up. This thing right here. This thing.
There it goes. It's on the ground. Ooh. I'm still filming, by the way.
Okay.
Is that one of those silkies?
Yeah.
That's what Steve Messer tells me I should get.
Oh yeah, they're the best. Now this is the big one.
Right. How many teeth per inch? 5.5 or 6?
Yeah, I think so for 4 point. I don't know. They're kind of golden metric. One, I get it from this side.
Be careful.
It's going to twist your way, I think.
To me, it looks like it's going to go toward him.
Well, yes, towards him.
That's what I'm saying. Yes, there you go. Whoop.
Like that. Yeah. Okay. All right. So now I have a little winch. Thank you, Mr. Ted.
Yes, you're very welcome. I think that will be very entertaining for people.
Yes, it will. So now, let's see.
Probably to get this off the ground.
Well, it's safe for Ted to go on his wave, Ted.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll film it.
Oh, you're videoing me?
Yes, I am.
Take this in one flying leap.
Yeah.
I can just ride right over that thing. Like that in the console.
Great.
This trail's in really good shape. Can you tell me what chemtrail's like? Is it okay?
Like this, yeah.
Yeah.
Poison Oak's a little more crowded in, but
I just didn't want to do it. I thought I was the only one out here, and Tim can be a little bit steep.
well, if you die over there, we'll find your body because I'm going up and out that way.
Oh. Well, I didn't know.
Yeah.
Be careful with the poison oak. This is right there.
Well, the ticks are particularly bad this year. I think you haven't noticed.
So, yeah, watch for
Well,
ticks
thank
too.
you for all that you guys do. It's
Well,
really
certainly.
fun.
Well, we always,
Ah.
that's one of our goals.
Yes. Well, I'm glad I got to film you. Tim.
Yeah, yeah. Well, it'll be up on YouTube later, so
Okay, sounds great.
I think.
Bye.
Yeah. Here he goes.